Today, I'm going to tell you a story of a girl who loved education, who loved helping people, and who loved art. This girl, with her big eyes and shy smile, always observed the world as much as she could. She absorbed the world like a sponge around her. She would see people and notice their behavior. She would listen music and the symphony would pass through her body like water crashing a river. She would read a book and learn the contents by her heart. This young girl grew up to complete her MBA with distinction, become a proud activist and a performing artist. She learned the taps and the thumbs of the drums and the vibration of the strings as her body was making the music. This girl is me. Salam and Adab. मैं जन्नत अली, a transgender woman, a woman who managed to break the stereotyping thinking that a transgender are uneducated and skillless. This stereotype I have had to face myself. Before it was struggle, but then I realized this struggle will pave the way for many after me. Today, I will tell you how we all together can help each other in this struggle and for my community. But first, who am I? I'm an educated transgender woman who identified herself as a woman, although having been told all my life that gender is binary. Trust me, that was not the truth I was living with me. My truth was totally different than it. Many times I felt like imposter, pretending to be someone which I am not, according to the preconceived notion what society thinks is correct. And you'll be surprised to know that 10 lakh Hajasra trans women who are living with the lie, with this lie, and living double lives. Some open up and are shunned by society and kicked out by their parents. But some of them come out. And some who are living with lie, they have to recite it every single day by force. For someone, coming out could be an essential topic, but for one individual, it could be life. For a trans person, coming out is a turning point. Because coming out and living life as naturally as possible, it's very important for your physical health, for your mental health, and for your sexual health as well. I'm an educated transgender woman, but before a few years, every night I went to sleep, I was thinking, when the day will come, and that would be a blessed day when I'll be able to share my reality. What do I feel to my parents? But I was ready that if I will do that, nobody will accept this. So I was tired to live a double life and letting my parents to live in the darker side. I waited and waited a lot, and after attending international retreat conference, I came to know you have to prepare yourself for coming out. So, because it was very risky and I had a fear that my parents, they will disown me. And one day came when I came out to my family, and it was very emotional moment. But before, I made myself emotionally strong and financially strong. And when I was coming out, I was sitting with my parents and we were discussing this very important fact about my life openly. There was a crying, a lot of it. I faced that reality. I faced that reality that it's not easy to come out, but I successfully prepared myself, knowing that it's not just one day challenge, it's a lifelong commitment. Because up till now, I have to sensitize my parents on the daily basis. और जब तक आप अपने हक और सच के लिए नहीं लड़ते, you can't expect a positive change. When I was child, I always used to find a person with whom I can share my feelings and tell that I have different preferences and different choices. But even that time, I knew that nobody will help me out in that. So at that time, dance was my best friend. So I keep to lock myself in the dark room with beautiful lights, and created that ambience. And I was expressing my joy, happiness, anger, and all moods together, all together. And I'm professionally trained Kathak dancer. And this art form not only helped me in the ups and downs in my life as a profession, but also helped me in activism. I've shared a lot of stories of transgenders on empowerment, motivation, and coming out through dance in nationally and internationally. So I'm here to tell you that you should not tell people that transgenders cannot do anything. You should come out with empowerment and should prove yourself. कहते हैं कि तारीख लौट के ज़रूर आती है, और आज आप बहुत सारे transgender as a performing artist, as a makeup artist, as a model, as a Kathak dancer, as an actress, or as an activist देख सकते हैं. Education and art both help me out to be a brave person. I finally came out as a transgender because I have education. And I compromise on my gender because I just wanted to be educated to understand my feelings and me completely. It motivated me to work for myself, for my community, nationally and internationally. I have successfully trained 400 students in Europe on gender, norm, and society. And I am very humble and lucky to say that I was the first Pakistani Muslim transgender who did this. And currently, people, they have a stereotyping thinking that trans person, they cannot work on a key position. So we are the people who are breaking the stereotypes. I'm working in a community-based and community-led organization known as Hojasra Society, where we are all 18 transgenders are working on the key positions in finance, in program, in coordinator. So this organization has proved so many minds wrong. And we are providing free healthcare services. We are working on healthcare and advocacy. So this was the first organization which is community-led and community-based transgender organization. Now another achievement, that is Teesri Dhun. Maybe you have all heard about Teesri Dhun, the third tune. This was a play in which like 400, out of 400 transgenders, 6 trans women, they were selected to share their real life stories. You know, normally what happened, people, they offer you script and you follow the script and they show trans women as a fun factor or just for entertainment. But this happened first time in the world that trans persons, they shared their stories in that documentary theaters through music, through acting, through storytelling. And we performed this play globally as well in US, Yale University, and University of Texas, Austin. And we got standing ovation. Now comes about my dream. My dream is to be highest educated trans woman in this world. Because if I'll do it, I'll be able to work for the better interest of my community and for my queer community and Hijra culture. Don't get me wrong, I'm not here to get sympathies. I'm here to tell that transgenders are talented, they are strong, and they are beautiful. And they deserve to sit on key positions like any other gender. So if they can be a good models, good actors, good teacher, they deserve to sit in parliament, in National Assembly as well. I have faith that this hope will come true one day, and I'll be able to remove and eliminate this numerous negative perception about my society. The movement of transgenders, that's not very new. It's there before I was born. But it's infinite journey. And recently I have played an important role. I was the first transgender who claimed their space in presenting first ever transgender protection right bill in the Senate. And luckily now that bill is present in National Assembly, and we're keeping our fingers crossed that if it will be passed, you will see every trans person in a good position. I'm so happy to see that the change is coming. One example is I'm standing here in front of you and talking for myself and for my community. I think all we need to do is our society also stop self-stigmatize themselves. They need to claim their space, and society needs to give them equal opportunity so they can be an important part of our country and prove and come out as a role model. I think वो दिन अब दूर नहीं है जब आपको एक जनतली नहीं बहुत सारी जनतली नजर आएंगी और आप देखेंगे कि we will claim our space and we'll excel in the society. And inshallah, the society will be inclusive. Thank you so much.
अपने तन दी खबर नहीं सजन दी खबर लवे कौन ना मैं खाकी ना मैं आतिश ना पानी ना पान अपने तन दी खबर नहीं सजन दी खबर लवे कौन ना मैं खाकी ना मैं आतिश ना पानी ना पान ना मैं खाकी ना मैं आतिश ना पानी ना वे बुले आसाई